Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today we will learn how to add your favorite website in your favorite list. Just open Internet Explorer and type any website here. I want to add this Hotmail website in my favorites. How can we add this Hotmail website into my favorite list? Just go to the favorites and add to favorites. Type the name of the website, Hotmail sign in. And click OK. I just close the Internet Explorer and open it again. I don't need to type this address anymore. Just go to the favorite and click Hotmail sign in. You will find this option in your favorite list. There are 5 websites which are favorite. If I want to export this favorite list and want to use in another computer, then you have to just go to the file and import and export option. Click next, click favorite, export favorites, click next, next, where you want to export, just select address. Here is a folder bookmark. I want to save this file in this folder. Just save. Click next, finish. I just close this Internet Explorer and open this bookmark folder. Then you will see bookmark file, which is Internet Explorer file. Just click here. Then you will see 5 favorite website of mine are here. You can take this file anywhere and use it your favorite list, and you can import this file when you open this Internet Explorer and go to the file, and there you will find import and export. Then you can import this file in any Internet Explorer. Hope this tip will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.